You have always mentioned, and I completely align with that, what must be done is what one has to do. Effortlessness, the state of mind which is effortless, and I want to be equally disciplined because I want to achieve what must be done. How do I strike the balance?
Residual ignorance equals effort equals discipline.
Correct.
Means कि जैसे जैसे इग्नोरेंस कम होती जाएगी वैसे वैसे डिसिप्लिन की जरूरत भी कम होती जाएगी. लेकिन जब तक इग्नोरेंस है तब तक डिसिप्लिन रखो. जो ट्रुथ विदाउट अपॉलॉजी है
Correct.
उसमें एक जगह पर बात आती है कि रिस्पेक्ट डेडलाइंस सो दैट वन डे
You don't need the deadlines.
You don't need the deadlines. Respect deadlines. इसी तरीके से be disciplined so that one day you go beyond the need to be disciplined.
And effortlessness.
Residual ignorance equals effort equals discipline. Discipline ही तो effort है. Effortlessness आएगी ignorance के zero होने के साथ.
But does it mean ease of mind? Effortless.
Only ease of the ego, not ease of action.
Okay.
The action might still be tremendously difficult, even painstaking. Ease does not refer to the physical quantity or the worldly movement. I am at ease within. Externally, it means that the task is still onerous, quite possible.
And there's a lot of effort and there's a lot of discipline to reach the point.
Yes.
And in that sense, then the suffering that I choose will also be of the right kind of suffering, right? That's what you said?
Yes. And then you can even say it's not suffering in the conventional sense. It is pain that you have embraced.
Correct.
It is pain that you have embraced. Internally, you are still joyful. Even in the presence of that pain, you are still joyful. And that's the reason why you can take on more of that pain.